Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm international meditation master. Today I want to speak about seniors, add this to your morning tea and transform your health. This is really the latest news, 100% proof, and it changed your life. If you're over 50, your body's natural repair systems slow down, but new research shows that 5 simple food-based powders added to your morning drink can reactivate stem cells, boost metabolism, and support fat loss like never before. Based on peer-reviewed studies and clinical trials, not hype. Okay. This is here Resveratrol. I buy it from now because I trust this firm. So, Resveratrol, the longevity gene activator. Why it matters? Resveratrol is a polyphenol found in red grape skins, Japanese knotweed, and certain berries. Harvard genetics Dr. David Sinclair. So he is the absolute expert. Calls it one of the most important molecules ever studied in aging science, and he is an absolute expert. I don't know any higher one. The science. Over 12,000 published studies. Also it must be something to activate sirtuins, proteins known as longevity genes, supports DNA repair, cell protection, and stem cell maintenance. Key finding: in 8 human cells, Resveratrol reactivated dormant stem cells by over 1,000 times. This means it's spelled Resveratrol. Clinical results. Obese participants taking 150 mg daily experience significant metabolic change within 30 days, including a 50% reduction in liver fat, comparable to results from rigorous exercise. So how to take it? Choose high quality trans resveratrol powder. I recommend now food capsule, trusted pure. Today, most of the health capsules are fake. And actually for ginseng exists only fake capsule. And get it right. You choose a cheaper one, boom. Add 100 to 150 grams to your morning tea or coffee. So I take the capsule because I try now. So all the reviews for health capsule, besides from ginseng, were tested, that now keeps its value. Then comes the next thing, very old stuff from China, and it's working, and this is also science proved. So, and we have this here from Elephant Organic, okay. This here from 100 Lion's Mane mushroom powders, okay. Lion, like spelled like the normal lion, if you see this animal, mane, or the Lion, and then comes MANE, mushroom. This is a nerve generator, and this matters. So all you get, it matters 100%. Used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine, lion's mane contain unique compounds, hericinones and erinacines, found nowhere else in nature. And Chinese things I trust. No? Chinese traditional medicine I trust. The science, these compounds stimulate nerve growth factor, which supports neurons and neural stem cells. So, studies key finding. Studies shows a 4% increase in nerve growth factors activity. This means about thinking, this means all the stuff in your brain. Chinese clinical results. Adults over 60 taking lion manes for 6 weeks showed improved metabolism and noticeable reduction in body fat. How to take it? Add a half to 1 teaspoon of lion mane mushroom powder to your morning drink. Then comes the next thing, what I've already spoke about this. This means raw cacao powder, or I take the chocolate, the pressed cacao. We get this only in Thailand. You don't get the powder because the powder is getting spoiled after a short time, and the pressed chocolate can keep for a half year, 1 year. So, raw cacao, the ultimate stem cell booster. Why it matters? Not to be confused with processed cocoa. Raw cacao is unheated, unprocessed, and packed with nutrients. It has one of the highest magnesium contents of any food and is a powerful stem cell activator. It's even very expensive. In Thailand, not so expensive because we have cocoa trees here. Also, I have in my garden. The science. A University of California, what is better than University of California study found that raw cacao activates stem cells by 300% in just 30 days in elderly participants. The star compound epicatechin, a flavonoid, activates nitric oxide in blood vessels, support stem cell growth, cleanse blood vessels, and improves blood flow. The thing is, for sure, it activates nitric oxide because it cleans the blood vessels. And if the blood vessel full of calcium and other stuff, you can't get nitric oxide out of the blood vessel anymore. Makes it damn clear. This is why the nitric oxide is getting lower and lower in aging, because of your blood vessels. Clean them, you get your nitric oxide. If not, you can make humming and all the other stuff, nothing is working. Believe me one thing, then cleaning the blood vessels. Cleanse blood vessels and improves blood flow. This improves blood flow. This all. And I don't have to read anything more. And with this, you get your nitric oxide. Also, I went through so many studies, and then I could understand this is a reason, this is a cause why you don't get enough, because of your blood vessels. Key finding. A 2015 study showed a 15% increase in fat burning, helping you lose body fat more easily. How to take it? Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder to your warm morning drink and stir well. In my case, I get a knife and then cut very little pieces from it up. So I grind it with a knife. Then comes hydrolyzed collagen, rebuilt from the inside out. So I took it to heal my osteoarthritis, and so it worked. And now they say you should do it, get it every day. And the best is fish collagen. So I get this here from China. They're eating a lot of fish. So, or is it from Korea? I'm not 100% sure. Can be, I think it's from China and sold also in Korea. So And it is cheap when when there's a fish production and so on. Hydrolyzed collagen, built from the inside out. Why it matters? Collagen makes up 30% of your body protein in bones, skin, tendons, and ligaments. In bones, skins, tendons, and ligaments. And for the joints, it is an absolute must, okay? And if you don't take them, what happens with your joints? After age 25, we lose about 1% per year. By 60 to 70 years, that loss is dramatic, leading to loose skin, creaky joints, fragile bones, and a weakened gut lining. Okay? And you see here, loose skin. But here is my skin still here. Good. Okay. So I'm 68 years old. Okay, we make it damn clear. No? Collagen peptides improves stem cell growth by 200% in bone and bone marrow. So the stem cells are produced in the bone marrow and 200% cell growth in bone marrow. Okay. Clinical results. An 8-week study showed significant improvement in skin elasticity and joint comfort with just 5 grams daily. In elderly men, collagen combined with light resistance training increased lean muscle mass and reducing fat. Makes sense, no? How to take it? Choose hydrolyzed collagen. It dissolves completely in hot or cold liquid. Very easy. And the gelatin, you have so much problem, but it's nearly the same. Use fish collagen for 1.5 times is better absorption. Avoid sugar and fillers. Also pure fish collagen, not with sugar, not with fillers. So my girlfriend is taking it because she wants to be more beautiful. Okay. So it works also for her. Add 10 to 20 grams to your morning drink on an empty stomach. Pair with vitamin C to boost synthesis. Okay. Then comes Ceylon cinnamon, the fat burning spice. So I don't take this, so I've done it before and so on. The other 4 are good enough. Ceylon cinnamon contains polyphenols that activates AMPK, a key metabolistic switch that shifts your body from fat storage mode to a fat burning mode. Crucial tip. Make sure you buy real Ceylon cinnamon, not the common cassia variety, which can contain high levels of coumarin, harmful in large doses. Also, it must be Ceylon, from Ceylon, or from Sri Lanka. Bonus recommendation. Consider adding glycine and NAC to support glutathione production. What I do also, your body master antioxidant for even greater cellular repair. This means this glycine is just like sugar, and the NAC, okay, I don't have this right now here, but I get it, I take it since 2 or 3 years. You don't recognize it directly, all these things here, but after some time, you see the difference between you and other people who don't take such things. So I'm 68 years, total fit, hard to beat in the mountain. I say it again and again, hard to beat in sport, but in normal case, I like to meditate and so on, and this is my emphasis and not sport. No? Just by doing a little sport, I'm better than 90% of all, or 95% of all people. Instead to make me very strong and to make 100 pull-ups and so on, and do only 10. Sorry. A final morning routine, quick summary. Ingredient dose, Resveratrol 100 to 150 grams. Lime mains a half to 1 teaspoon. Raw cacao, hydrolyzed collagen, Ceylon cinnamon. mix all it into warm water, tea or coffee. Coffee I don't like, coffee is poison. Take on an empty stomach for best absorption. Okay. All the things here is checked from AI, and so it must be true. And I use DeepSeek because DeepSeek is at least 2 times, or I say 5 times better than the American ChatGPT. If you don't believe it, check it out by yourself. But you cannot check it out because in America it is forbidden. Bingo! So, okay.